Hi, good morning. My name is Popot.
And my name is Hani. Now we will explain the pros and cons of being named a suspect.
Here the two of us will tell the story of Pina murder case.
Meanwhile, Peggy Setiawan's name changed to Robi when he lived in Bandung. According to Rajaman, this was not disguise. However, he said it was deliberately changed with a specific purpose. According to Rajaman, Peggy was also deliberately portrayed as a quiet person to gain sympathy from the public.
Peggy attorney wants to get justice for Peggy who had nothing to do with Pina murder 8 years ago. In law, if there are things that are not clear, if there are ambiguities, then the person must be released. If there is doubt, they cannot be sentenced, said Hotman. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.